Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to share the Google Drive link. So, let's dive right in. Open Chrome web browser on your desktop. Then, click on the 6 dots in the top right corner. Next, click on the Google Drive. In your Drive, locate the file or folder you want to share with others. Right-click on the file or folder, or tap and hold on mobile devices. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From the menu, select Share. This will open a sharing settings panel. Look for the section titled Share with People and Groups. This is where you'll specify who can access your file or folder. Start typing the email addresses of the people you want to grant access to. Google Drive will start suggesting contacts from your address book as you type. Once you've added the email addresses of everyone you want to share with, it's time to set their permission level. Click the drop-down menu next to each contact's name. Here, you can choose what level of access they'll have. There are 3 options. Viewer. This permission level allows people to only view the file. They won't be able to make any changes or edits to the file. Commenter. This option gives people viewing and commenting permissions. They can leave comments on the file, but they can't edit the content itself. Editor. This is the most permissive option. Editors can view, edit, and download the file. Choose this option cautiously and only for people you trust to make changes to your file. Once you grant the permission to all people, click on the Send button. But if you want to share the link to people, click on the Copy Link icon. Now, all the people you have added can access to this file. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.